Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. In today's video, I want to show you how the price line of Zilliqa has completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup and what can be our expected targets for this move. And before starting the analysis, by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to recall my previous analysis with you, and that was a breakout from this rising wedge pattern. And I shared this move with my members at the Patreon on 23rd of October when the price line broke out the resistance of the rising wedge, and it was being accumulated above the resistance. And our target for this rising wedge, which I shared for my members, was 11.4 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well and hit the sell target here and moved down again and moved up again and hit the sell targets several times. Right now, the price line is again moved down. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame, then here on the weekly time frame, it can be clearly seen that the price line has found a very strong support here. If I place this trend line here at this spike of the candlestick, then here we have a very, very strong support. And this support is at 5.2 cents. Right now, the price line is being traded at 6.3 cents. And you can see that previously when we had this rally in the month of December 2020, the price line after breaking out this level retested and confirmed this support and moved up. And after this big drop, when we had this drop that was started in the month of May 2021, the price line reached at this level at this support of 5.2 cents in the month of July, tested the support, moved up again. And again, this time the price line has tested the support and now it is moving above the support. Here the price line, but that the move that I want to share with you is has formed a very nice bullish harmonic gardlet move. And from here, from this potential reversals on, we can expect a reversal. Here on the next weekly time frame chart, I have placed the pattern tool to show you how this move is perfectly formed. And you can see that after the completion of the final leg, it has entered the buying zone. The buying zone starts from 6.9 cents and goes to 5 cents. And the price line is being accumulated in this buying zone. And from here, once we will have a price reversal, our expected sell targets can be 9.4 cents and goes to 12.2 cents. But I'm not expecting these targets. I'm expecting bigger targets because at the same time, the price line has also formed a descending triangle as well. You can see that we have a touch point here. We also have two rejections here, and we also have a rejection here as well. So once the price line will have a reversal from here and reach approximately here at 10 cents, that will be the resistance of this descending triangle. And after breaking out this triangle, we can expect the next target approximately, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, let me place this trend line from here, then our next expected target will be approximately 20 cents. It depends from where the price line breaks out this resistance of the triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.